Alright, so this video should continue from when I dropped the steering column. I'm not sure if I did anything else. It's been a few months. So I need to drop the pedal assembly. And the last things I did was remove the 4 bolts from the steering column, right? And the 4 in the back that I couldn't reach. And that's actually attached to the pedal assembly. So if you look here, you have one that mounts to the top and another one back there. Another bolt. I don't know what size they are yet. And it looks like the only other thing that's attached to it is this plug right here. That gray one. You can see from here. So that plug straight ahead right there. Let's focus. That one. I think you just had to unplug that and get those 2 bolts and it should be free. So I'll update this video as I go. Alright, so I got the 1 bolt and nut off. The nut was on here. And now I got this clip off right here, which is attached to this. Like that. So you just slide it, get it down with pliers or whatever. Okay. Yeah, okay, so this has to come off for the pedal assembly to come down. Okay, so back here, this bolt was coming through back here, and I just pulled it out from the top after I took the clip off. So let's see, it was lined up and coming through that hole. So this is the one in the back, and now it's not lined up because it moved. But yeah, so I was coming through there, and it had this clip on it. So I took it out so it'd be easier to come out. I just don't want to forget. Alright. Still need to get this one off. That attaches to it from here. Goes in here. Take that plug off. Okay. It's pretty much out. That bar that was on this, you just pry it down. And the last thing was that harness, which I got off. And then there's that other harness back there. But once I get it low enough, I'm gonna take that off. So it's pretty much loose, hanging. Oh, my back. Alright, I'm gonna stop filming, but let's get that plug off and it should drop out. Just wiggle it out. And that's it for this video, and I'll make a video on adding the new brake and pedal, brake pedal and gas pedal.